Definitely, as the animal world is a topic with broad appeal, especially to kids who always take a special liking for those animated creatures. Many numerous well-known foreign programs from National Geographic to Discovery Channel are all rebroadcasted on our local TV channels like HTV or SCTV. I really also appreciate Vietnamese programs which provide useful information about native animals such as blue turtles or butterflies. To tell the truth, watching animals in captivity is quite a disappointing experience for me, as I can rarely see any boisterous movements such as roaring, jumping, or stranding, all of which are only seen when animals are in their natural habitats. This is not to mention the fact that many zoos in Vietnam are usually derelict, attenuating animals living there. Thin and feeble animals discourage me from visiting the zoos. Animal conservation is a vital issue determining a sustainable ecosystem. Without animals, neither plants nor humans can exist because the natural food chains are broken. In addition, animals not only provide us with food, but also bring us a source of knowledge and entertainment. What I mean is that humankind, especially kids, take an avid interest in watching animals in nature, being close to them, watching their life cycles, and learning a lot from them, such as skills to survive in nature or methods to take care of their own health and safety.